Hello everyone. So guys, this program is about like rapid fire round for fluency. It means if you want to be fluent, then what you have to do is, see guys, first of all let's talk about all the helping verbs. All the helping verbs. If you talk about tenses, then definitely you can go with do, does, is, are, am, have, have been, did, was, were, had been, in future will be. Will have is not mostly used. Will have you can use, okay, and will have been. Now see guys, so if anybody is talking to you using any tense structure, it means you can like come to hear about do, does, is, are, am as per the situation. I mean to say, means whatever the question is being asked, there must be any helping verb which you might hear. Okay, so what you have to do is, in order to perform rapid fire, what you have to do, you have to ask your partner to ask you some questions using all these helping verbs. Like if somebody is asking, hey, do you smoke? Somebody is asking, do you smoke? You just have to reply within 3 seconds. Within 3 seconds. You are not supposed to take so much time. Do you smoke? If this question has been asked, just reply, yes, I smoke. If you don't, then say, no, I don't smoke. Like this. So you can use all the helping verbs. If you want, you can mix them, like sometimes do, sometimes was, were, sometimes will, or if you want, go one by one. First ask some questions related to do, then does, then is, are, am, like this. So if you have a partner, it's good enough, like partner can ask you questions and you have to reply, and you both have to be quite fast. Means question is coming, answer is going, like this. If you don't have a partner, then you have to write some questions and read out the question fast and just reply it fast. So I'm going to show you. Suppose I'm practicing. So how I'll do, I will use all the helping verbs. Like hey, do you go to market? Yes, I go to market. Why do you go to market? I go to market to buy something. Hey, did you go to market today? No, I did not go to market today. So why didn't you go to market today? I didn't go to market today because I did not have anything to buy from the market. Okay, so do you think you will go to market tomorrow? Yeah, of course I'll go to market tomorrow. Why will you go to market tomorrow? I will go to market tomorrow because I have to buy some vegetables. Which type of vegetable do you want to buy? I want to buy green vegetables. So why do you want to buy green vegetables? I want to buy green vegetables because I want to eat green vegetables. Who told you to buy green vegetables? Well, my gym trainer told me to buy green vegetables. So why do you think that green vegetables can give you so much power and energy? I think there are so many vitamins and antioxidant in green vegetables. That's the reason I would like to go for green vegetables. Oh, that's really great. How much water do you drink in a day? Well, I drink 4 liter water in a day. Hey, do you really drink 4 liter water in a day? Yeah, of course I drink 4 liter water in a day. Okay, and how much water did you drink yesterday? Well, I drank only 2 bottles of water. So why didn't you drink 4 liter of water yesterday? Hey, I didn't drink 4 liter of water yesterday because I forgot to drink. So how can you say that you forgot to drink? Didn't you feel thirsty? No, I didn't feel thirsty. Actually, when you feel thirsty, then you drink water, you might cross only 1 or 2 bottles. You have to make a routine that you have to complete 4 liters of water in a day. So whether you feel thirsty or not, you have to keep drinking. Okay, thank you very much. Well, are you going to your friend's house? No, I'm not going to my friend's house. So don't you have a friend? Oh, I have a friend. What's your friend's name? My friend's name is X. So where does he live? He lives in Noida. So do you meet him always? Yeah, always meet him. Do you play cricket with him? No, I don't play cricket with him. Why don't you play cricket? Because I don't like cricket. So which game do you like? I don't like any game. So what do you like? I like dancing. So do you dance? Yes, I dance. How often do you dance? I dance sometimes, So does your friend also dance? Yes, my friend also dances. Well, what does your father do? My father is a farmer. What does your wife do? My wife is a YouTuber. Okay, do you have any kid? Yes, I have a kid. What does your kid do? My kid keeps on playing whole day and keeps on crying whole day. So guys, I believe you must have had fun. Okay, so this is what you have to do. This is rapid fire, guys. If you do this, let me tell you, you will have a great fluency. And what you have to do is start your video recording, or if you want, you can go for audio recording as well. And if you don't have a partner, do the same program what I have shown you. Ask questions, reply. If questions are not, like coming to your mind, then you can do one thing, you can write lots of questions. Okay, keep reading. You can do like this. Let me write something, but it has to be, rapid fire. That's why it is fire. You can write like this, like, do you uh, like someone? Okay, do you like someone? Okay, you can write, are you going somewhere? You can write, did you go to market yesterday? Okay, you can write, will you buy something tomorrow? You can write, do you go to gym? You can write, have you been to Agra? Okay, or has she ever scolded you? Okay, you can write, have you been eating for 2 hours, like this. Okay, suppose you have written so many sentences. Now you have to start rapid fire round. I can read it out, like, hey, do you like someone? Yes, I like someone. Are you going somewhere? No, I'm not going anywhere. Did you go to market yesterday? Yes, I went to market yesterday. Will you buy something tomorrow? No, I will not buy something tomorrow. Do you go to gym? Yes, I go to gym. Have you been to Agra? Yes, I have been to Agra. Has she ever scolded you? Yes, she has scolded me. Have you been eating for 2 hours? No, I have not been eating for 2 hours. Like this. So if you have written the sentences and then you are reading out the questions and you are replying, so you have limited source. Limited source means, like, if you have written, do you go to gym? You can only say, yes, I go to gym, or no, I don't go to gym. But once you start doing by yourself, or if there is a partner who already knows English, then whatever the answer you give, from your answer a question can be created. Like, if somebody is asking me, do you go to market? I say, yes, I go to market. Then several questions can be created. Why do you go to market? Again I have to reply. When do you go to market? Again I have to reply. So if this goes on, and using that rapid fire program, you are not supposed to take so much time. So if you don't take so much time, you deliberately do it, then you will have fluency. I can write it down. Okay, and once you're okay with this, then in real life nobody is going to speak this much fast. Everybody talks normally, politely, but you are not supposed to be hesitant. Just break all the hindrance and all and speak as fluent as you can. So this is all about this program, guys. Thank you very much. I believe you must have liked it. See you in another episode. Thank you, guys.